Good morning, guys. I'm Nada. Today, my team and I will be discussing one of the most essential physiological concepts. So, our physiological topic for today is homeostasis. On the other hand, we have a basic medical biochemistry topic. We have 4 different cases. Now, let's start with the first one. Now let me explain why Yousef was sweating. Yousef experienced a negative feedback mechanism. It is a homeostatic mechanism in our body that causes the system to change in the opposite direction from the stimulus. So this change needs help from 3 compartments: receptors, integrating centers, and effectors. So as body temperature started to increase, thermoreceptors in the skin pick up the change and send nerve impulse to the integrating center. Then the integrating center convert the change in the temperature with the set point and respond according to the set point. So in this case, Yousef's body temperature is above normal, so the integrating center will send nerve impulse to the sweat gland to secrete more sweat and cool down the body temperature. That's all for negative feedback. Now let's see what we have for the second case.
Hello, please answer.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Moustafa Kamel,
How old are you?
18 years old.
Okay, Mustafa, what are you complaining from?
Yesterday, while I going up the stairs, I felt extremely exhausted and heavily breathing.
Okay, we will need to run some tests to check if you have sickle cell anemia.
Okay,
Bad news. Turns out you have sickle cell anemia.
Now let me explain sickle cell anemia. So we all know the normal RBCs shape, they are disc shaped. But for people with sickle cell anemia, their RBCs are sickle shaped. This results from the replacement of the polar amino acid glutamate with the non-polar amino acid valine. Sickle cell anemia causes less oxygen to be transmitted to all the body cells. So the person with sickle cell anemia feels exhausted from small actions. Now let's see what we have for the third case.
Oh, are you okay?
I cut my hand while opening a tuna can.
Sorry about this. Let me help you.
Oh, thank you.
How is your hand now?
Oh, it's better. The bleeding has stopped.
Good.
Thank you.
According to Mustafa's case, due to a cut in his hand, he exposed to a positive feedback mechanism. It is a homeostatic mechanism in our body that goes with that change. So positive feedback is an amplifying mechanism and it may be lethal. But in this case, positive feedback activates more and more coagulation factors which help to form the blood clot and stop bleeding. Now let's see what we have for the fourth and the final case.
And they're facing Messi here. Messi held up by Guardiol. Messi away from Guardiol.
Let's explain the last homeostatic mechanism, which is the feed-forward mechanism. Simply, feed-forward mechanism is a change that looks ahead by giving options or solutions for the future. This is called anticipatory changes. For example, when we eat food that contains glucose, forward signals are sent to allow the GIT to be ready expecting glucose and stimulate insulin secretion, allowing glucose uptake. This is called the incretin effect. In addition to some saliva stimulation that will help in food digestion. Here we come to the end. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.